here from MyFreezEasy, and this is how you print out your meal plan. So once you've selected up to 10 recipes in the box, then you go to the review and print page, and from here you can print your meal plan and print your labels. These labels are actually formatted to print out onto the Avery 6874 sticker paper, which is also sticker mailing addresses. So once you do print labels, then you will get a file that you can then load up your printer with that 6874 printer paper, and then you will see here are the labels formatted correctly so that they print onto the sticker. You can get 6 labels per page, so remember you're making 2 meals worth, so 2 meals of the Italian beef, 2 meals of chicken taco salad, and so forth and so on. And that is how you print out labels for your bags and your trays.